Today, it's all about beef.
Yes, a beautifully reversed seared porterhouse.
Oh, absolutely cooked to perfection.
Oh, and it's topped with these savory herbs and garlic and a little finishing salt.
You put this out on the table, and they are gonna say, "Who needs plates?"
Just fork it.
I know.
Just
fork it.
fork
Oh my gosh. And they, meaning your family, are gonna say, "Just give me a knife and a fork." Okay, so we've got this massive piece of meat right here, and we are so excited.
It's gorgeous.
This typically feeds 2 to 3 people, or the Loon.
Yeah.
But this is a porterhouse.
I'm hungry.
I know. I'm gonna start. It doesn't need a whole lot of seasonings. Just a little bit of
Salt and pepper.
And
Yes.
so the porterhouse is not a T-bone. T-bone is a little smaller. If you can, certainly couldn't be any bigger. But it's this side over here is the tenderloin, the filet mignon,
yes.
the filet. This over here is like
The strip,
which
New York strip,
like a New York strip, and it's just so it's loaded with loads of flavor. This is our version of a Tuscan Italian
Bistecca alla Fiorentina.
Fiorentina.
It's funny, I was doing a lot of reading and research on it, and the Tuscans are known for, they love their beef dishes, but they're usually much smaller in quantity, except for this dish.
Except for that.
And the way you order it is you say, "I want a Bistecca alla Fiorentina," and they slam it onto a super hot grill over direct heat, and they just sear the top, they flip it over, and they sear the bottom, and then
it's just like rare.
Yeah, and it's really, really rare in the middle. We're not going to do the rare version, and we're going to kind of do our little version of it.
We're going to do it Texas style.
We're going to Texas it up a little bit, and we are going to smoke it.
Smoke it, yay!
Smoke it.
Yeah, so I've got my smoke box right here, and I'm just going to throw in some, this is hickory, right, Chris?
Hickory wood chips.
Yes.
Yeah.
How much is this?
That's about 2 ounces. You don't need to, we've played around with this, and steak
You don't
really
need much.
really absorbs the smoke, and it almost gets too smoky, if you can imagine that.
So good.
So we don't do a whole lot, but it just gives it that little wisp.
Yeah,
I couldn't do that again if I tried.
No.
If of smoke, and it's delicious. So I think we've talked enough.
Yeah.
Let's go out to the smoker.
All right, here we are. It is hot, hot, hot.
We jumped into summer here in Texas.
All right, I'm going to put this in here. Get that all ready to go.
Beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to put this right here. I've got my pan of water in there, which is just going to help create some steam to keep it nice and juicy.
Make sure everybody can see. There it is, folks.
And then you want to make sure you're going to use one of these. This is my instant read thermometer. Put it right in the thick of it. Whew.
Are we ready?
Close her up.
Ooh, it is warm. 250?
225.
225.
So we're going to do this nice, low and slow. It's going to take this is about 1.5 inches thick porterhouse, so it's going to take anywhere from an hour 10 to about an hour 15, hour 20 to reach 125 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The 125, because then we're going to finish it off.
We're going to finish it off. It'll go another 5 to 10 degrees when we sear it.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful machine. This is an electric smoker. This is from our friends called Smokin Tech. I've got a link. They deliver anywhere in anywhere in the United States. If you don't have a smoker, don't worry about it. If you have a pellet smoker, that works. You can also do it just on your grill. Do it over indirect.
Which is what most people do with the Bistecca.
Do it over
Bistecca.
Bistecca over non-direct heat. You can even do this in your oven on very low heat, 225. Just get it to that temperature of 125, and then you're going to sear it off, and it's just going to be beautiful. If you want to see more smoking recipes, leave us a comment. Drop a comment in the comment section and say, yeah, we do lots of smoking, but we assume most people don't have smokers, so we don't do them.
Yes.
But we love.
And you want to see me out here in the heat?
He's smoking. He is smoking. All right.
All right.
You know what? I'm going to pick some of my basil here.
Perfect. All
because this is homegrown basil, and we are going to use this for our herbs and garlic topping.
Savory herbs and garlic.
This is going to be a feast to remember.
All right, are we done? Can I go inside to the air
conditioner?
Let's go inside.
Okay, so we're moving right along. So One of my most favorite beautiful sights in the world is to see the plumes of smoke coming out of that smoker.
He's like a child.
I do.
He sits there and he waits.
I do.
And if it doesn't like happen like as soon as he wants it to, he's like, something's wrong. Something's wrong.
I get very panicked. It's really bad when I'm doing, like if we're doing ribs and I start at like 4:30 in the morning and I'll come in and wake Wesley up and it's not working, it's not working.
And then I get up and it's working.
Okay, so that was hilarious. So
Hold on,
now,
so we've got some new potato. Go ahead, sorry.
we're jumping ahead. So we are going to make an accompaniment to this incredible steak, and they're potatoes, our roasted balsamic potatoes.
Balsamic, so it's kind of has an Italian flair.
Yeah, it does.
Yes, yay. So we've got new, or these are red potatoes.
Baby red tomato,
little red
potatoes.
Potatoes, and I'm just going to slice them in half like that, and then just do a little slice like that.
The larger ones, you want a quarter.
Yes, and then you have the others, little dinky ones like this, that you just want to slice in half.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is that's about a pound and a half. I know, a pound and a half of potatoes. You could use yellow potatoes. You could use purple potatoes.
Was that olive oil?
That was 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I've got 2 tablespoons of one of my favorite things in the world, balsamic vinegar.
A little salt and pepper?
And then we'll do that when I put it on the baking sheet.
Oh,
so
okay.
You
said you could use a medley? Like
a medley.
A different colors.
I've done that before too, and I used to call it a potato medley. But it sounded
we
like...
used to do these little different colored potatoes. And we'd hollow them out, and then we would stuff them with like sour cream.
Yeah.
Was for
and herbs.
It was for Easter.
Yeah.
So a little pepper.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. No, not just a little bit. A good. You want to liberally salt and pepper these.
I'll do the pepper. I like my pepper.
I know. And so now what we will do is I've got my oven preheated. Let's give this a little toss one more time. Oven preheated to 350 degrees. I know it already smells great. And we're going to roast these, pushing them around, scooching them around every little bit because they're going to get nice and toasty where they're touching the pan. I hit it with just a little more salt and pepper. And right in the last few minutes, we're going to add some fresh herbs and some shallots. And it's going to be incredible.
So good.
All right, open it up.
All right.
Okay, it's time. We are at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's great. So let's look at this baby. Oh, gorgeous. Put this over here. Now it's going to get even more beautiful when we sear this thing off. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go in.
Oh, that is hot.
That is hot. Okay,
yes.
Those potatoes are smelling good.
Oh, that looks wonderful.
Aren't those potatoes smelling good?
All right, switch the places.
I know that looks good.
Yes,
okay.
no, they smell wonderful.
So
I'm worried about that.
I know. We've got 2 tablespoons of oil in here. We got it cranked really high, as you can see. Now we're going to
look at that.
That is beautiful, and it's about to get even more beautiful.
Hold on, let me get it right here. Yeah.
There you go.
Ready for this?
Okay, let's bring her on in. It doesn't take long.
Oh, there we go.
We love that sound.
Wow.
We're just searing it off, baby. That's going to take about 2 minutes per side. You don't want to overcook it because that's going to ruin it. Oh, I am so happy.
Yay.
I am getting Okay,
oh, wow.
It's looking good. Smelling heavenly.
Oh.
We are making some meat.
A little bistecca.
That's right. All right, we're going to let this go for like just another 2 minutes, and then we're going to let the baby rest. Okay.
Wow.
She is looking beautiful.
Wow,
okay.
bring her right
We're
here.
going to bring her right over here. Now, it's real important that you let the steak rest for about 10 minutes so those juices can just kind of settle in.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that amazing?
That is... That's mine.
I know.
All right.
All right. Now, while that's resting, we're going to go
We'll just keep on moving.
We're going to keep on keeping on. This is so much fun. I love this. So I was going to say, when we're filming this, Father's Day is next Sunday. So this is a great thing for Dad would love it.
This is like a feast.
A feast is so much fun with the whole family. Okay.
And everybody get a little piece of meat. And those potatoes.
I know.
Y'all, those potatoes. Don't those potatoes smell good?
They do smell good. They smell delicious.
You've asked me like several times.
Well, every time I ask you, you're like, that steak looks great. Okay. Anyway, all right. So now we're just trudging right along.
Yes.
We've got just a small little skillet here. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and we're going to heat that up over medium heat.
Yes.
While that's heating up, so Again, just to reiterate the way we did this in our smoker. You don't have to do it in a smoker. Another way you can do it, I meant to mention this earlier, is to sous vide it. You just want to, and we're going to do some more sous vide in a little bit. That's a machine that it's in water, in a bag, and chefs use it all over the world.
It's because it keeps it can stay in that water, but it cooks it to the perfect temperature. And it doesn't overcook, and you can just keep it there for a while.
And it maintains that temperature. And then you take it out whenever you're ready to cook it. Do the sear, and you've got a great. But you can.
Like we smoked ours.
Now we're gonna we love this, so we're doing more than we normally do. This is like a quarter cup of chopped garlic. This is a quarter cup of my basil that you saw me cutting out there. Picking
and when it's on top of this steak,
it's just the perfect combination.
So good.
So now I am going to.
Wow. So you just saute that?
Yeah, and it doesn't take long, like a couple minutes. Did we mention that it's important when you're doing your potatoes that you stir them about every 10, 15 minutes? Yeah. Because it needs to, and plus those ones that are touching the pan gets really a little too burnt.
I'm going to throw on some wonderful stuff, some more herbs on those potatoes.
Right, so we're going to let this cook for about another minute or so.
We're going to let this rest, and then I'm actually going to cut this the way it's traditionally cut and presented to y'all. It's gorgeous.
The way it's traditionally presented to y'all.
To y'all.
All right, so exciting. Oh, we're getting so close. This is amazing. Okay.
Look at it. This has been sitting and making this kitchen smell so good. But I'm going to get started on cutting this, and Chris is going to take care of the potatoes.
Yeah.
So what I first want to do is separate the filet, and then I also want to separate the strip part from the bone.
You're taking it actually from the bone.
Yes.
You don't have to do this, but we're like.
Yes, that's Bistecca alla Fiorentina.
I know.
I can't if I can say it.
I know. That's the challenge. Okay, look at these potatoes, by the way. Are these beautiful? So these have got probably another 5 to 10 more minutes. So while the Loon is putting the finishing touches.
Meticulously doing this.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, there you go. You're doing good. I'm going to sprinkle. I've got a tablespoon of fresh thyme. I've got a tablespoon of fresh rosemary. And then I've got about a half a shallot. I kind of eyeball this. You want to, don't overdo it. That's probably a couple tablespoons. And then we're going to toss this all together.
Oh, those smell so good.
These potatoes are so good. And they go with so many different types of dishes. They're really, really versatile and really scrumptious. Okay.
All right. Well, I've got the filet off here.
Nice. Look at that. That's beautiful.
There we go. Look at that.
Filet
delicious.
mignon.
I could eat that right now.
I know. I'm so tempted.
All right. And I'm going to start to work on the strip side. All right.
Look at that.
Yay.
Beautiful.
So now, I don't want to show you what I'm going to do next because it's very pretty. And it's got to be a surprise.
Yeah, he likes to surprise you.
Plus, we got to wait for those potatoes.
We're so close, folks. We're so close. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you with
wonderful piece of art.
Meat art. It's meat art.
Yay.
So you see what Wesley did is he
I took each fillet. I took the fillet off. I took the sirloin off, and then I cut them into little strips. So that everybody can have a slice.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. Now
that is so good.
This is so good. We love this, so we get kind of liberal with it.
I know.
You maybe start with a little bit, and then you're probably going to want to add more.
I love it.
I do too. It complements the meat, the smokiness of the meat so well.
It does.
It's great. Oh my goodness. And besides that, it's so beautiful. Now we've got some finishing salt. Get some good coarse finishing salt.
Yes.
Because that.
I'm just watching you.
Yeah, I know. Well, it is. It's sort of hypnotic.
Look at these gorgeous potatoes.
So those potatoes we took out of the oven,
yes.
And I just, I gave them another little scooching around with my spatulas, and then put them in another container. Another festive way to do this is if you're really doing a spread. We've done this before. We put the potatoes all around. You can also do some roasted vegetables.
I'll slide in a picture right now to show you.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
All right, Chris. I'm going to give you some potatoes. So awesome. So awesome. There we go. And you're going to give me that meat. Right there, Chris.
I hear you.
Right there. Oh. Y'all.
Are you speechless?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm speechless in Seattle. Wow.
Now, obviously, as you see, this is nice. It has a nice pinkness to it.
Here, Liz, I want to make sure everybody can see this.
Probably what would you call somewhere between medium rare and medium, probably closer to the medium rare. If you want it more on the medium side, don't take it out at 120 or 125. Take it out at 130 or 135.
I just look at the tenderness of that. I got the filet side. Thank you for the filet
yeah,
side. I love the filet side.
I do too. I love them both.
Okay, I gotta it's like butter over here.
I know.
I gotta try the meat first, because that is
I'm just gonna do the meat and then I'll do the potato. I know.
Great minds.
It's so tender already. Wow. Well, okay, you guys. You're seeing
Just melting in my mouth.
that's really good.
I got weak in the knees.
That little of smoke. All right, I'm gonna go in and put some.
Wow,
potato.
and these are perfect, Chris. A little crunchy.
Yeah.
Now that's some meat and potatoes. Wow.
Dad will love this. And it serves two. That's what's great.
Wow.
That's heavenly.
We need to sign off before I make a fool of myself.
He's beside himself.
These are 100,000% Loon approved.
I knew that was coming. You guys, this is a special occasion kind of thing, but it is so much fun. It is so delicious. You have options of how you prepare it, but the reverse sear is the way to go. We love you guys so much, and celebrate the fathers and the father figures in your life.
And the fur daddy fathers.
That's right.
Fur daddy fathers?
Fur daddy father. Bye, everybody. We love you.